What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a quick one. We're going to be installing a center console safe on the Duallytron 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate Dually. I picked this one up on Marketplace for like 50 bucks, but what I will do is link the cheapest one that I found online in the description. I think it's from 404 Parts Store. Check it out below. I think this one will also fit on any new GMC or Chevy that doesn't have a folding bench seat. I am not positive on that though. So what I'll do is I'll fact check and put some text overlay. So right around now, keep your eye out for some words somewhere up in that area, and I will correct myself if I'm wrong. Let's get right into it. All right, so the very first thing you're gonna do is start by removing your center tray. And then supposedly these kind of just pop right out. Now both of these bolts in here are going to come out standard 10 millis. And now that we've got both of the bolts out, we are going to drop in the safe. Oop, my fingers are stuck. Remove the foam tray. And then it did come with 2 new bolts that we're going to pop in here. Alright, so we've got our bolts in. Now, I do have the original foam insert that will slide in here as well. Not backwards. But the only thing that sucks is this dude did not give me the trim piece. So even when this is closed, I got a little gap all the way around. So things like credit cards, change, a pen, all that type of stuff is gonna fall out. Actually, one thing I probably could do, nope, this is not large enough. I'm gonna have to make something. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make a little template and I will cut something out for sure. All right. We got this from Amazon, clearly straight from China. It's actually a little sealer rubber for the gap between your windshield and your dashboard for whatever reason, I guess so you don't drop parking tickets and stuff down there. But what I'm going to do is put it around the gap in the safe in the center console and try and seal it up that way. It's not perfect, but for the $6 or whatever I spent on that, I'm cool with it.